Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to cook BIR style chicken Dhansak, a fantastic hot, sweet and sour curry made with meat, lentils, chilli and sugar. As always, a full recipe is in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, hit that like button and notification bell. Thanks. To begin, heat the oil, onions and methi on a low to medium heat and allow to soften and begin to brown. Add in the garlic and ginger paste, stir through and allow to cook for around 30 seconds for the strong smell to disappear. Add in watered down tomato paste, stir through and allow to cook out for around a minute to reduce the bitterness. With the heat on medium, add in the mixed powder, salt, coriander powder, chilli powder, sugar and a squeeze of lemon juice. To keep things moving, add a little base if required and stir through well. Allow to cook out for a few minutes until the oil starts to separate. If you ever have gritty or grainy curries, it's most likely you are not cooking out the spices enough at this stage. Time for the pre-cooked lentils, so add them in and mix gently to combine. I'll leave a link to my pre-cooked dhal recipe in the description below, as I make a batch of these and freeze in portions for use later. Pour in half the heated base gravy, combine well and allow to reduce by half. Add in your choice of protein, stir through to coat evenly. If using prawns, add them later as they don't take long to cook. Add the rest of the base and most of the fresh chopped coriander, combine well and allow to reduce further for a few minutes. If using prawns, add it now. Gently stir and allow to reduce until the sauce reduces and thickens and your choice of protein is cooked through. Serve sprinkled with fresh coriander and a slice of lemon. Please remember to subscribe, comment and hit that like button, and find this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.